weekend. We have they're old.
Oh, they're no good. Wore out.
They're all worn out. They're all worn out. So we're gonna be throwing some shocks in here. Good old Ford. All right, so we're gonna be switching out shocks in 2000 F250. Start with
my fat ass on it.
Oh, sand in the face. That nut looks pretty scary.
Coming, Mike.
Is it?
Does it make you feel better?
Right, get in there. I get a squirt in there.
I'll get a squirt in too.
Moving up the bolts in the back. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut it. Cut the bushing right at the top here. Try to get it out. Doesn't matter. Just go ahead and take it off.
We're gonna.
Have that countered, so you're gonna have a washer, rubber. Oh, it'll do that. If you touch it, it'll keep going. It's kind of like a battery saver.
I just tapped it. We're good.
All right. The way I always do it is I compress it and then I put it in. Because don't smoke this nut. You want to break that.
Then they can't come to the bar with you. Alright, Mike.
Operate that thing out a little more.
That's tight.
Alright. Alright, so the rod was spinning. When I went to tighten onto the rod on the shock. These are some cheesy aftermarket shocks where they don't have, if you look at the original ones, they have it. So I got a pair of vice grips on there. Push out and you squish the bushing. And then that nut is snug down. That's all the tight it needs to be. That's good. Put the boot back on, and now we should be good. We're live. Why'd you bend it?
That's you! You came over and bent it. I thought I was gonna get that.
Grab that PB blaster.
Are they supposed to stay stuck like that?
No. Break your brake line.
I know, Mike. I don't want you to. In the back to get to them top bolts.
You think it'd be better?
It looks a lot easier.
I don't ever make a funny thing.
Your eyes were shut, but you could tell you were just super concentrated. You ain't eating Mike's sandwich. Is that working better, Mike?
Yeah. It's all good, bro. Alright. Oh shit. Get your bolt. Sounds shocking. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hey, thank you so much, YouTube, for watching. We got, don't be afraid to check his channel out. Mike here. I am here with Gone with Gibson, and we are throwing shocks in his truck, a 2000 Ford F250. Let's see how this goes. Bilstein.
Let's go for a rip, huh, bud?
We're out on the test drive after those new shocks.
What, should we go down that dirt road? I mean, I was just gonna do rock. It already feels better just on this.
Does it?
Yeah, it feels way different.